Welcome back to the Great to Maths. Please prepare your stationery and your textbook to see we have some special guests waiting for us now. Today we are going to learn about the 4-digit numbers.
Oh, but I'm so scared. I don't even know what is a digit.
Polar Bear certainly recalled the 3-digit numbers that he learned from the first term. Then he gathers his friends and discusses the 4-digit numbers together.
I remembered that the digits means the parts of a number. Look at the number 920. There are 3 parts or digits in this number. The number 920 has 3 digits. Remember, digits are the parts of a number. Pretty simple.
We have got the number 74. There are 2 digits in this number. Super easy, super simple.
I've got the number 6. Could you tell me how many digits are in number 6? Yeah, just 1 digit, because there is only 1 part or digit in this number. Wow, so this is awesome. Here is where the place value comes in. The place value is how much a digit is worth based on where it is.
Where a digit is in a number tells us how much it is worth. So, could you recall what are the place values? They are units, tens, hundreds, or thousands. Okay, let's use the place values together.
Okay, let me give each of you a place value and a number now. Polar Bear, you are in the units place. You have got the number 3. Hawk Cutlet, you're in tens place. You have got the number 0. Cat, you're in the hundreds place. You have got the number 0. Blue Penguin, you are in a thousands place. You have got the number 4. Will you tell me what is the number? Let me write it out in numbers. It is written as 4003. We can also read the number out in English form. It is read as 4003.
Turn to your textbook to see page 9. Look at question 3. Look at the abacus and fill in the blanks. There are plus signs in between them. What number should we fill in? Still remember the lizard has said the place value is how much a digit is worth based on where it is. Let's look at the thousands place first. The digit 4 is in the thousands place. It stands for 4000. Digit 0 is in the hundreds place. It stands for 0. And the digit 0 is also in the tens place. It also stands for 0. The digit 3 is in the units place. It stands for 3. Let's check the answer now. Did you put the corresponding numbers into the right place? Now let's look at the green bullet. When we are writing out the numbers, the 0 in the hundreds and the tens place must be written. But when we read as the English form 4003, both the hundreds and the tens places are 0. So just read AND.
Cat, I have a question from the textbook that I could not solve. Could you help me?
The 0 in a 4-digit number cannot appear in the units, or tens, or hundreds, or thousands place.
Oh, I think I know the answers now. I have some numbers here. Can you tell me what numbers should be put in the thousands place? But there's nothing there. Well, yes! When there's nothing there, it means the value is 0 in the thousands place. However, the number will become 508. We do not write the 0 in the thousands place. Oh, but 508 cannot be a 4-digit number. If the 0 appears in the thousands place, it is a 3-digit number. Oh, I get it now. So the 0 in a 4-digit number cannot appear in the thousands place. Otherwise, it is a 3-digit number. Yay! Thank you, Cat. You are very welcome, Meow.
Now, please turn to textbook page 11. We are going to compare 3 lucky numbers now. We need to arrange them from the largest to the smallest for the first, second, and third prizes. Firstly, we can compare the first and the second number in the thousands place. Look at the thousands place. 4 is bigger than 3, so we know that 4,000 is bigger than 3,000. So we know that the first lucky number, 4,510, is bigger than the second number, 3,824. Secondly, let's compare the first number and the third number. Firstly, we compare the digit in the thousands place first. But the first number and third number has got the same number, 4. Then we need to compare the digits in the hundreds place. Oh, the first number is 5 and the third number is 7 in the hundreds place. As 500 is smaller than 700, we know that the third lucky number is larger. 4,759 is larger than 4,510. Since the third lucky number is larger than the first lucky number, and the first lucky number is larger than the second lucky number, so the first prize goes to the third number, 4,759. The second prize goes to 4,510, and the third prize goes to the smallest number, 3,824. Please also write it down on your textbook now. To conclude, if we want to compare the 4-digit numbers, first, we need to compare the digits in the thousands place. If they got the same number, then compare the digits in the hundreds place. If the digits in the hundreds place are the same again, then we compare the digit in the tens place, and so on. Let's try comparing the 4-digit numbers by yourself. Pause this video for 3 minutes and complete this question first. We will check the answer later. When we compare the 4-digit numbers, we will compare the thousands place first. Oh, so I know that the thousands place with the number 2 is the smallest number. Okay, let me put the smallest number there first. The first 2 numbers, they have got the same number 3 in the thousands place. So maybe we have a look at the 100 place now. Now I compare the first 2 numbers for the hundreds place and I highlight them in green color. So 700 is bigger than 600. So I know that the second number is larger than the first number. I hope all of you can get this answer correctly. To conclude, we learn about the place values of the 4-digit numbers.
Yes, thousands place is the new place value that we learned.
Digits means the parts of a number. The number in different places have a different values. For example, the digit 3 is in the thousands place. The value will be 3,000. It stands for 3,000.
Hey, I know more about the thousands place now.
Thank you, Meow.
Last but not least, when we compare the 4-digit numbers, remember to compare from the thousands place first. If you got the same number, then compare the hundreds place. If you still got the same number in the hundreds place, then compare the tens place, and so on. At the end of the lesson, Miss L would love to invite you to join a challenge. As we learn about the 4-digit numbers, it's about the thousands place, about the 1,000. Could you spot anything about the 1,000 around you in your daily life? Let me give you some examples. First example, spotting the word 1,000 from the supermarket. Wow, I find the word 1000 from the salad dressing. I'm gonna make some salad tonight. The challenge is to take a photo with anything with the word 1000 on it. Wow, I also find the toppings, the hundreds and thousands. I find the word 1000 from this topping. I'm going to use this to make some donut. Second example, spotting the 1000 from the places. I remembered that from the PE video, the PE teachers had been to the 1000 Islands from the Thai Lam Chong Reservoir in Hong Kong. I also find there is a place calling Thousand Oaks in California from the USA, which had the word 1000 in it. You may encounter some difficulties that you can't go out of your home. So, I have some suggestions on some indoor options for finding the word 1000. It will be from the books and movies that you watched before or you read before. For example, I find the word 1000 from the book titled The 1000 Nights and One Night. It's an interesting book also. It's compiled of some Arabian stories with some famous story like Aladdin or the Alibaba and the 40 Thieves. If I really can't find the word 1000, but I really want to take up the challenge, what should I do? Let's say like this. For example, if I only find the number 1000, for example from the jigsaw puzzle, I find 1000 word. Is that acceptable? Yeah, it is still okay. I know you try your best. If you really can't find the word 1000, why not creating the 1000 by yourself? Yes, you can use anything. Your hand, your body, your hand sign, or your pen, or write it down to create your own 1000, right? So the homework for today will be the textbook 2C page 10. After finishing this, please upload to the OneNote. The second homework will be the 1000 challenge. Upload one photo with the word 1000 on it to OneNote in today's homework. After uploading your textbook page, just upload one more photo about the 1000. In there is fine. For example, go to OneNote, today's homework, upload your textbook after finishing, upload your textbook page 10, and then upload the photo about the 1000 challenge is okay. That's all for today. Hope to see you all soon. Bye bye.